tried making ready-made salted butter at home? Believe me, it's very simple to make and you just need one basic ingredient to prepare it. Today we'll be making butter at home. The best part is that this butter will be just like the ready-made butter which we get from the market. This butter is yellow in color and is little salty too. To make butter, we'll be using homemade cream or malai. This entire quantity of malai I have collected for the past 5 days. So use fresh malai as much as possible. And also I have used toned milk to get this malai. One should ensure that when you store malai, keep it in refrigerator. Now it's been only 10 minutes since I have taken this bowl out from the refrigerator. So it is little cold. The procedure to make butter is very simple. What you need to do is, we'll simply move it like this. In few minutes you will see that the malai will convert into butter. Just continue to move like this. Here you can see the malai has started to thicken up. Continue to move it. And now it is getting little difficult for me to move the ladle in the malai because it has thickened up. So in just few minutes we will get butter out of it. What we'll do is we'll take butter in our hands and then we need to squeeze out water from it. Just squeeze out water as much as possible because we do not want too much moisture in butter. So in this manner we'll completely transfer butter in another bowl. And here it comes. This is the butter which we were talking about. The malai has converted into butter. At this stage we will add cold water in it. If you are preparing butter in winters, then you can use lukewarm water. However, in summer just use cold water and stir it for few more minutes till the butter and the water separates from it. Continue to add little water. Stir it rigorously. Now the water has separated from butter and we have got our homemade butter from malai. Just one ingredient from malai we can prepare homemade butter very easily. Thereafter we need to separate butter in another bowl. So we'll use our hand to do it. So this is the butter which we have got from malai. Now we need to wash this butter again with using cold water. Washing the butter is very important because it helps to remove the moisture from it. So you can wash the butter at least for 1 to 2 times. And again we'll follow the same procedure. We'll extract out the butter from the water. We'll simply transfer this water in the same bowl which we had used earlier. And preparing a ball of this homemade butter. Just look at this. You can consume this butter just like that. Simply store it in refrigerator and have it with your favorite paranthas. If you just want to use it like that, this is the unsalted homemade butter. Or even you can prepare desi ghee using the same butter. Isn't it looking just like the Amul butter which we get from market? After mixing we need to set butter. So I am using this bowl and I have lined it with butter paper. Now we'll transfer our prepared butter in it. And our butter is ready. Now we need to set the butter in freezer. Just keep it in freezer for 1 to 2 hours till it sets nicely. After setting the butter, we'll remove it from the box. And here is our homemade Amul butter ready. One can even wrap these slices in butter paper just like this one. And you can store this Amul butter in freezer. It will last at least for 10 to 15 days. This homemade butter tastes really very nice. I had used it in making pav bhaji and even toasting bread slices. You will simply love this taste. One cannot differentiate between the ready-made one and this homemade butter. So do try it out. Isn't it really very simple to prepare Amul butter at home? If you liked today's video, please do give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.